Why is DNA replication incredibly accurate? Imagine copying a very important recipe book, page by page, without making a single mistake. That's what your cells do when they copy DNA. It's a process that needs to be nearly perfect to keep your genetic information safe. DNA is made up of long strands of molecules called nucleotides. Each nucleotide has 3 parts: a sugar, a phosphate group, and a base. The bases are adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. These bases pair up in specific ways. Adenine always pairs with thymine, and guanine always pairs with cytosine. This pairing acts like a code that guides the copying process. When a cell copies its DNA, an enzyme called DNA polymerase is the main worker. It adds new nucleotides to match the original strand based on those base-pairing rules. Because it only adds the correct complementary base, mistakes are kept to a minimum. But DNA polymerase does more than just match bases. It has a built-in proofreading ability. As it adds each nucleotide, it checks if the pair is correct. If it finds a mismatch, it can remove the wrong nucleotide immediately using a special activity called exonuclease activity. Then it replaces it with the right one. This step is like a spell checker that catches errors as you type. After the copying is done, a second system called mismatch repair kicks in. It scans the new DNA strands for any remaining errors missed by DNA polymerase. If it finds a mistake, it corrects it. This extra layer of checking makes sure the DNA is copied with very high accuracy. All these mechanisms work together to make the error rate extremely low. Scientists estimate that only about 1 mistake happens in every 1 billion to 100 billion nucleotides copied. That's like copying a whole library of books and making only a few tiny errors. This incredible accuracy is vital for family genetic testing and hereditary health. It means most of the genetic information passed from parents to children is correct. When errors do happen, they can cause mutations, which might lead to genetic disorders or influence disease risk. Understanding how DNA copying stays so precise helps explain why genetic tests are reliable and how mutations can sometimes impact health. So, the reason DNA replication is so accurate is because of the careful work of DNA polymerase, its proofreading ability, and the mismatch repair system. These steps protect the integrity of your genetic code, ensuring your hereditary information stays stable and trustworthy.